So there's this new theory in the crypto market stating that MicroStrategy, currently Strategy, is halving the Bitcoin market. But what does this actually mean? Is it good for Bitcoin? Is it bad for Bitcoin? What do we know? Well, let's talk about it. Hey guys, welcome back to Republic Labs YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about the newly popularized theory that MicroStrategy, currently Strategy, is halving Bitcoin. Let's talk about it. So there's this new theory in the crypto market stating that Strategy, previously MicroStrategy, is halving or synthetically halving the Bitcoin market. But what does this mean exactly? So the theory was brought up by Adam Livingston. As you can see here, Adam Livingston is a popular analyst in the crypto market and the author of The Bitcoin Age and The Great Harvest, which are one of the most popular books in the financial market, especially in crypto. He stated that Strategy, previously MicroStrategy, is manually rewriting Bitcoin's scarcity schedule, which they are doing through acquisition. Before we talk about it, if you don't know what the Bitcoin halving is, basically the Bitcoin halving refers to the 4-year event that Bitcoin will halve the reward for miners. This is because there is a mechanism embedded in Bitcoin's technology that around every 4 years, the block reward for miners will be halved. This means that every 4 years, the reward for validating a block on the Bitcoin blockchain will be reduced by 50%. As you can see here, according to data from BitDegree, you can see that Bitcoin has gone through 4 halvings. The first one in 2012, the second one in 2016, the third one in 2020, and the latest one in 2024. As you can see here, the block reward, or the reward for validating a block in the Bitcoin blockchain, is halved every 4 years. The reward started with 25 Bitcoin per blocks validated and then gone down to 12.5 Bitcoin and then again to 6.25 Bitcoin and the latest one to 3.125 Bitcoin per blocks validated. And as you can see here, the next Bitcoin halving will happen in the next 1,190 days. Bitcoin halving is regarded as one of the most bullish sentiment for crypto as it creates scarcity in the market. This is because with block rewards being halved, the new Bitcoin going into the market will be less than before. This means that there are essentially less opportunities to buy Bitcoin. As you can see here from the latest 4 halvings, Bitcoin's price always goes up. Bitcoin essentially went from $10 in the first halving to now around $90,000 per Bitcoin in the latest halving. So this means that the Bitcoin halving is a significant sentiment for the crypto market. Now, talking about MicroStrategy, or should I say Strategy, currently Strategy holds around 553,555 Bitcoin, which is around 3% of the circulating supply. As you can see here, year to date, they have netted around 13% of Bitcoin yield from their holdings. This is actually profitable, especially compared to traditional assets. As you can see here, in the last year alone, Strategy has purchased around 140,000 Bitcoin. According to calculation from Adam Livingston, this means that Strategy has been buying half of what Bitcoin miners make every month. As you can see here from his calculation, if the miners produce around 13,500 Bitcoin per month, Strategy buys around 5,000 of it. This means that MicroStrategy essentially purchased around half of the new Bitcoin supply. This essentially means Strategy is making Bitcoin more scarce, as they are the one who creates less opportunities for people to buy Bitcoin, essentially making the price higher in the long term. As you can see here, the current circulating supply of Bitcoin has reached around 19.8 million Bitcoin. It has almost reached its maximum supply of 21 million, which means with Strategy buying more of it, Bitcoin is becoming more scarce, hence making the value much higher. Aside from that, Strategy is also buying more from miners. As you can see here from the miner reserve data published by CryptoQuant, miners are selling their Bitcoin and MicroStrategy is essentially capturing all of these, making Bitcoin more scarce. Now, does this mean this is a good thing? On the one hand, Strategy is making Bitcoin more scarce, but on the other, it is making it less decentralized. This is because most of the supply is kept by them. However, more institutions are also buying in. As you can see here, Metaplanet, a company from Japan, is also buying more Bitcoin, as currently it holds around 5,000 Bitcoin. In the US, institutions are also buying more Bitcoin. As you can see here from the data of the last 7 days, you can see that institutions are buying more Bitcoin through the Bitcoin ETF. Aside from that, there are more traditional finance companies buying into the crypto market, one of which is Cantor Fitzgerald, which has plans to partner with SoftBank, Tether, and Bitfinex to create a $3 billion Bitcoin ventures, where the money might go into Bitcoin for more liquidity in various ways. So is this a good thing? On the one hand, this might create a bullish sentiment for the crypto market, as Bitcoin being more scarce leads to its value increasing. However, on the one hand, this might lead to a certain number of people or companies or institutions controlling the Bitcoin's price. So, what do you think? Is this good or is this bad? Let us know in the comments below. And also, if you guys like contents like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you guys are notified when we next upload. Cheers, guys!